हाय एवरीबॉडी, नमस्ते। आज मैं थोड़ा सा कुछ चीज़ें शेयर करना चाहती थी। आई एम सॉरी दैट मैं बहुत लेट आई हूँ एंड हमेशा यही होता है, सो बार बार सॉरी बोल के कोई यूज़ नहीं है। आई ऑलवेज कम विदाउट नोटिफिकेशन इन द लास्ट मोमेंट। मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती, दैट्स हाउ इट्स गोइंग टू बी आई गेस ऑन माई चैनल, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी हार्ड फॉर मी समटाइम्स टू डिसाइड एंड कमिट कि आज करूँगी, यू नो, ये आज डेफिनेटली होगा। सो वो मुश्किल है थोड़ा मेरे लिए, जिस तरह मेरे वीकेंड्स होते हैं। सो इसीलिए मैं थोड़ा लास्ट मिनट में आती हूँ, बट एनीवे मैं जो भी करती हूँ हमेशा चैनल पे रहेगा, कहीं जा नहीं रहा है, सो पीपल कैन ऑलवेज वॉच इट लेटर। सो आज एक्चुअली आई जस्ट वांटेड टू टॉक अबाउट, आई नो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर गोइंग ऑन, बहुत सारी चीज़ें चल रही है। 2 लोग वॉच कर रहे हैं, ओके। सो एटलीस्ट 2 लोग जगे हुए हैं। एंड मैंने अभी ट्विटर पे डाला एक्चुअली कि मैं आ रही हूँ करके, सो रियली सॉरी अबाउट दैट। आई नो सम पीपल हैव टोल्ड मी कि प्लीज पहले ही बता दीजिए आ रहे हैं करके, एंड रियली यू नो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू डिसाइड, बिकॉज मैं सुबह उठने के बाद ही डिसाइड कर सकती हूँ कि आज कर सकती हूँ या नहीं, क्या चीजें हैं आज करके। सो दैट्स व्हाई इट बिकम्स हार्ड, एंड समटाइम्स आई एम इवन वर्किंग ऑन द वीकेंड नाउअडेज, तो इसीलिए अगर लाइव भी करती हूँ तो उसके बाद बैठ के थोड़ा काम भी कर रही हूँ। सो थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो रहा है मेरे लिए आजकल। नमस्ते सुजाता जी, होप यू डूइंग गुड। So today I just wanted to talk about, I know a lot of things are going on. Paramveer is telling, they've been telling that भाग गया है करके, एंड ये तो हम पहले से ही बोल रहे थे कि ऐसे ये लोग ऐसे ही करते रहेंगे और एक दिन राज भागेगा, परमवीर भागेगा, अनिल देशमुख वगैरह सब भागेंगे। ओके, तो पता नहीं एक सब क्या ड्रामा हो रहा है, सच में भागा हुआ है या ऐसे बोला जा रहा है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। इफ सेंट्रल एजेंसीज रियली हैव एनी हैंडल ऑन दिस, और रियली दे डोंट हैव एनी हैंडल, एंड ऑल दे आर मेकिंग ऑल दिस हैपन। सो you know, I don't know what to say there. um, that is really shameful, really shameful, because हम लोग सोच रहे थे एनआईए तो बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है, बट हाउ एनआईए की निगरानी में कैसे ये हो सकता है कि वो बोल रहे हैं कि वो कंट्री छोड़ दिया है करके। हाउ इज दिस हैपनिंग, राइट? दिस इज रियली शेमफुल, वेरी शेमफुल। हाय अनुश्री, was about to sleep and just saw your notification. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Because I'm going to show some things. Yesterday, I was there for a minute on Styles channel. He was talking about the same topic. So I'm just going to show some connections with Ria, and also questioning that why is media putting this in this way, you know, kind of always जब भी कोई ड्रग्स में पकड़ा जाता है, ये बोला जाता है कि एसएसआर का फ्रेंड, एसएसआर का फ्रेंड, जैसे साहिल शाह को बोल रहे थे, राइट? अगेन वी डोंट नो कि साहिल शाह का कितना अच्छा दोस्त है उसके साथ, वो भी हमें पता नहीं, राइट? इट्स जस्ट दैट मीडिया हैज बीन टेलिंग दैट उसके दोस्त, सो समवेयर और अदर दे आर ट्राइंग टू प्रूव नाउ इट इज मोर, क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर जब ये सेम न्यूज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी, सेम न्यूज आया था, that time nobody said कि वो SSR का friend थे करके, nobody said that. The reason that they actually went, or they were at that time they were interrogating Kunal Jani or Gaurav Arya was only because of Ria's connection, right? Because Ria के chat से ये सब निकला था, गौरव आर्या का कनेक्शन हो सब, एंड उसकी वजह से ये सब हो रहा था. But now, when Kunal Jani got arrested, now it's coming out as SSR's friend, you know, Kunal Jani got arrested. Kunal Jani के साथ SSR का कोई पिक्चर भी नहीं है. Okay, so I'm not going to go as in depth as what Style did yesterday. I guess I've also not watched the whole video of his. I just watched a little bit in the end and went on to put my points, because I connected a few things, and that is what I'm going to show you guys today. But he has got more information that he showed, I think, in the starting, which you guys can watch that also. But so we can see कि कैसे ये toolkit हमेशा चल रहा है, जहाँ पे they are trying to connect him more with the drugs. And now it's getting even more scarier. Yes, Anushri, all good. Thanks for us. Nice to see you too. Yes, Sujata ji. Thank you for joining, Sujata ji. But is he really fled away? Exactly. That is my question. Anushri, that's what I feel like. What is going on? I mean, NIA has been really good with what they're doing, right? So how is it possible that he fled away? So to me, वहां पे कुछ तो जोल लग रहा है कि is he really has fled away, or are they trying to keep him away from the, some of the MVA ministers say he had not fled India, correct? So are they just trying to save him from the Maharashtra government, or are they, that from the Mahavikas Aghadi? I think they're trying to save him probably. That's what I feel. If central agencies are actually really having control over this, right? If INA is really having control over this, if not, yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's then I would say it's really shameful, क्योंकि एनआईए एक था जो थोड़ा बहुत हम देख रहे थे कि कुछ काम कर रहा है, या एनसीबी भी थोड़ा कुछ काम कर रहा है. तो अगर ये लोग ही ऐसे करने लगे, देन इट इज रियली शेमफुल. आई डोंट नो व्हाई इवन वी हैव ऑल दिस एजेंसीज इन इंडिया. ये सब ड्रामा क्यों कर रहे हैं? फिर लोगों को दिखाने के लिए ड्रामा कर रहे हैं और उसके बाद भाग रहे हैं. सो भागने का चांस तो यही दे रहे होंगे ना. हाउ कैन दे रन ऑफ द आउट ऑफ द कंट्री? आई मीन, जब when the case is going on and all that, they will have lot of this thing. They can't leave the country, right? They will have taken their passports and all this kind. So how is it even happening? So that itself is like shocking and surprising to me. Breaking news is that NCP has busted a cruise party of Mumbai with lot of drugs seized and at least 2 superstar sons involved. Okay. So Maya ji, looks like that might be, is that new news maybe? आज का मैंने कुछ देखा नहीं है, बट या बहुत जगह से बहुत ड्रग्स सीज हो रहा है. बट इफ यू आर टेलिंग इज ट्रू, एंड इफ 2 सुपरस्टार सन्स इन्वॉल्व, लेट्स सी व्हाट कम्स आउट ऑफ दैट. बट आई एम श्योर अभी जो कुणाल जानी को भी पकड़ा गया है, उससे अगर इफ दे आर एबल टू कीप दैट गाय फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, कुछ चीजें तो आएंगी बाहर. अगेन इट डिपेंड्स, क्योंकि अभी मैं जो दिखाऊंगी दिखेगा कि कितना कनेक्शन है इनके, राइट? एंड इट्स द सेम सर्कल. बार बार हम लोग कुछ भी डिग करे ना, we find the same circle. Guys, can you let me know if you guys are actually able to hear me properly, and if you are not having any sound or anything like that. मैंने यहाँ sound यहाँ कम कर दिया है. So let me know if you guys can hear me well. So that is a good news, Maya ji, if it is current news. So let me, I thought I got some message somewhere. Give me a second. So let me know if the sound is clear, and then I will just continue. Okay, कुछ message नहीं था. Sound is 9K. Okay, good. Okay, so मेरा मतलब ये है, अभी मैं जो आपको दिखाऊंगी, क्लियरली दिखता है कि ये जो कुणाल जानी था, Ria knew him actually more. I have not seen any picture of him with SSR. One, okay. All the things I'm going to show you guys, we are just directly we'll just jump into his Instagram actually. That's all, and I'll show you, because there's nothing new that we're showing, right? Everything is in public. So let me show you that how Ria is actually connected with these people, right? But then when it comes in news, they keep saying ki SSR friend, SSR friend. So basically what they're trying to do is Abhi lately, they're trying to also link him. They're trying to link him with any druggie ka kuch aa jata hai to SSR ka friend, right? So that's what they're trying to make it look. So general population जो है, जिनको इतना maybe इस केस के बारे में पता नहीं होगा, वो लोग क्या सोचेंगे, अरे वो ये भी इसका फ्रेंड था, ये भी इसका फ्रेंड था, इतने ड्रगी फ्रेंड्स के साथ तो ऑब्वियसली ड्रग ले रहा होगा. सो दैट इज व्हाट इज द परसेप्शन दैट पीपल आर गोइंग टू गेट, राइट? सो माय क्वेश्चन इज, like last year, if you see the August 31st and September में जब ये सब NCB ED का चल रहा था, at that time they were not saying it, but now they are saying it. So that to me is a little bit scary कि CBI क्या कर रहा है. Are they trying to steer this thing in some other direction, into this drug direction, and try to, close the chapter that way? What are they trying to do? So that is what I am a little bit scared, and that's why it's important to talk about this, to show that SSR is not even connected to this person. Okay, so the connection is only with a Ria. These persons' connections are only with Ria. She is the one who is in this circle. So that is the reason I put the title as Ria's friend, because they are Ria's friends. ये सब सुवेद लोहिया, yes, सुवेद लोहिया को वो जानता था, क्योंकि of course जब तुम celebrity बन जाते हो and everything, you come into the circle of these people, right? So you will know all these people. When you come to certain level, then you'll start having all these kind of friends, these hoteliers, via other superstars and others. You'll start coming into all that circle. So we know that we have seen pictures with Imtiaz Khatri, with everybody, because जब भी ये parties में जाते होंगे, यही same circle होगा, right? But a girl like Ria, जिसका कुछ भी नहीं है, this girl has connection with these people from long back, from maybe from 2013 too, but I have found from 2015, I found her connections with these people. Okay, she is there in Suved Lohia's parties. She is there in who is that other guy, Baba Diwan's parties. She's there in Baba Siddiqui's parties. तो ये सबके parties में तब से ये लड़की दिख रही है, जबकि ये कुछ भी नहीं थी. Okay, so that means how did she have these connections then? Like, how did she know these people, right? So that means ये इनके connection के through ही ये she was getting these kind of jobs, right? Basically she was just doing these kind of jobs, वो जो drug peddle कर रही थी या कुछ भी कर रही थी अपना पैसा बनाने के लिए. These are the connections that she had from that time. That's the reason. Okay, so you can imagine, there are girls like that who are getting into this circle so that वो उनको कुछ ना कुछ काम मिले करने को. And that is what this girl was to me. That's what it looks like from what we have analyzed from last year till now. That is what this girl was doing. That's why she knows all these people, right? So hi Ravi ji, yes, correct ma'am, बोल रहे हैं. Now that news about PPS fleeing, the timing is very suspicious, right? After Republic told about the Chandigarh location. Exactly. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि I don't think so. See, अगर वो सच में NIA के radar में है and the case is going on and the central agencies are on him, how is it possible that he can flee, right? I hope it is not true. Maybe they're spreading that news to keep him safe. ये भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि अगर वो ऐसा न्यूज स्प्रेड होगा कि वो फ्ली हो गया कंट्री से, तो मे बी ही विल बी सेफ फ्रॉम दिस पीपल, because he can get killed any day, because if he's trying to save himself and expose the other gang, then if he's in the open, he can get killed any day, right? His life is in danger too right now. So हो सकता है कि that is why this kind of news is coming out, so that they kind of make it look like that, right? तो वो मुझे ऐसा लगता है. So now let me show you guys the news that was going on from last year, right? Now, ये सिंपल सी टॉपिक है, सबने डीपली किया है, तो मैं जस्ट ऊपर से ऊपर आपको जस्ट दिखाने वाली हूँ कि why we are not seeing any connection with SSR but with Ria. So whenever such news come, we have to kind of lash back at this media to say that these are not SSR's friends, right? These are Ria's friends. So Ria का connection बनाओ ना, SSR का connection क्यों बना रहे हो ये ड्रग्स के साथ? So let me show you at that time, August 31st में क्या क्या शेयर कर रहे थे, क्या क्या बोल रहे थे ये लोग, right? Let me I'll just share that a little bit. So if you see in News X, right? I'll show you the news that News X was doing.
The office has also arrived at ED office.
Oh, something is happening with my clicks here. Okay. एक second.
Kunal Jain has also arrived at ED office. Jain is going to be quizzed in relation to Gaurav Arya. He is known for investments in hospitality sector. Coming to you, Urvashi. Now, first of all, we are getting to know that a person named Kunal Jain has also reached the office and he is also going to be interrogated.
Jani is already inside ED office actually. He's said to have communicated on WhatsApp about the drugs, with respect to Ria is what we understand. He is also manager who works for Bollywood actresses, and he somehow came in touch with Ria Chakraborty and is has managed. He has some role to play, is what we understand, which currently is being explored with the questioning that is happening with Kunal Jani.
Right, and also Urvashi, now as we speak about the question in our round that is going to happen with Gaurav Arya, he has earlier also maintained that he
And one thing I want to point here is ये न्यूज लास्ट ईयर का है. ओके, लास्ट ईयर 31st को ये लोग सारे चैनल्स में एक दो और दिखाऊंगी आपको. सारे चैनल में यही बोल रहे थे कि रिया से कनेक्शन था, राइट? क्योंकि रिया के चैट्स के थ्रू गौरव का मिला, गौरव और इसका भी कनेक्शन था, तो रिया के चैट के थ्रू ये दोनों मिले, राइट? गौरव आर्या का नाम आया है, कुणाल जैन का. जैन नहीं है एक्चुअली, कुणाल जानी है. ये जो न्यूज रीडर है थोड़ा सा गलत बोल रही है, सो द अदर गर्ल इज ट्राइंग टू करेक्ट हर. But so at that time, this is how the news came in all channels, whether it is NewsX, Republic, everywhere. It was connection with Riya's chats. Riya's chats की वजह से ED ने बुलाया था and NCB ने बुलाया था, right? So now if you see, आज जो अभी recent news आया उसमें सारे channel में you will see कि SSR का नाम आ रहा है, which is very strange because that's why that should be happening, right? So basically purposely वो उसका नाम लेके बोला जा रहा है.
did not procure drugs for Riya Chakrabarti, and earlier also he has refuted all the allegations.
See, he has come out in that way, and he has said about, in fact, he has refused any kind of involvement. But as I'm telling you, that this particular whole questioning that is happening at ED currently, that will play a very important, crucial role, especially in drugs role. Because Gaurav Arya, this name has popped up in past. He has been asked to come with all kind of documents today, not only with respect to his bank accounts, but then also ITRs and also documents related to his boutique hotel. Now, we understand that this rave party that I'm talking about of August second week month that was busted in Goa, 9 lakh drugs were seized. So that very particular angle is also being explored currently. As we know that as we know that even that particular whole case has already been probed by Goa police. Mr. Javeri, a small-time actor, has been arrested in the case. It is said that whether Gaurav Arya's involvement is there in that particular case or not, even that will be looked after, because all of these see, there is a whole cartel that is linked to each other. So basically ED in its questioning today, when they will be questioning Gaurav Arya, they're trying to go ahead and check with the line of chain with respect to the drug supply that is happening in Bollywood industry.
Right, and
For more such videos,
So आपने देखा ये वीडियो है August 31st 2020. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to show you guys is लास्ट ईयर जब ये न्यूज निकला था तब भी उन्होंने ये सब रडार में आ गए थे, राइट? तब इनका कनेक्शन रिया के साथ ही था, क्योंकि वो कनेक्शन रिया के साथ ही है, एंड दैट इज व्हाट दे वर शोइंग, दैट गौरव आर्या का कनेक्शन विद रिया एंड विद दिस गाय, कि ये क्या these guys were helping her with regards to the drug supply, right? Maybe they were providing those things. So बट अब मेरा पॉइंट यही है कि अब जब न्यूज आ रहा है, राइट, अभी का न्यूज कोई भी न्यूज चैनल में उठा के देख लो, इट शोज कि एसएसआर का फ्रेंड बिन अरेस्टेड, एसएसआर का फ्रेंड बिन अरेस्टेड, which is very unfair, and that is why I wanted to point that out, that he is not SSR's friend. So this was one of that. Now let me share another one just to establish that, right? So if you see, let me share this. Yes, hi Sasmita ji, वेलकम. क्या डार्क दिख रहा है क्या स्क्रीन? अच्छा, मैंने थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे अपना विंडो थोड़ा सा ब्लाइंड्स कम कर दिया क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा ग्लेयर हो रहा है. वो लाइक सडनली सनलाइट आ रहा है, फिर उसके बाद सडनली डिप हो रहा है. सो उसकी वजह से ज्यादा ग्लेयर होगा करके मैंने ये कर दिया. बट आई कैन ओपन द ब्लाइंड्स अ लिटिल बिट अगर स्क्रीन डार्क दिख रहा है आप लोगों को. सो no, you're not late, Sasmita ji. Actually, I just came on now. I came late. Yes, Ja, it's actually last year's video I was trying to show. So I was just showing you the comparison कि तब तो रिया का दोस्त बोल रहे थे, means रिया के through उनको इसका नाम मिला है. So now they're trying to say कि वो SSR का दोस्त है. But I'm trying to just prove that वो SSR का दोस्त नहीं है. उसके साथ कोई उसका पिक्चर्स भी नहीं है. First of all, पिक्चर होने से भी कुछ प्रूव नहीं होता है. But उसके साथ कोई पिक्चर्स भी नहीं है उसका. अगर कोई पार्टी में होगा भी तो दैट डजंट प्रूव एनीथिंग एनीवे. नमस्ते शोभा जी, वेलकम. सॉ यू विथ मित्रा, वाज हैप्पी टू नो योर कनेक्ट. ओह थैंक यू शोभा जी. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग. मैंने वो वीडियो यहाँ पे भी स्ट्रीम किया है, सो यू गाइस कैन वॉच. एंड tomorrow for definite I'm coming at the same time, so I'm coming late at 1 p.m. Central time, so for India it will be 11:30. I'll be coming on some other channel, but I'll be streaming it live here also, so watch it on my channel, and I will also interact with you guys live tomorrow. It will stream on their channel and on my channel also, so tomorrow you'll come to know which channel, but it will stream on my channel, so come and watch on my channel, and I will interact with you guys also. But it will be a very, very important video, so please watch, because we are going to do, like I was just invited to kind of do a video with just on 13th and 14th June, right? So just we'll talk about what may have happened on 13th and 14th June, and always collective minds, it helps to get information better, right? So it will be a good session tomorrow, so please watch. But it will be for you guys 11:30 at night, and CST Central Time it will be 1 p.m. Kunal Jain Jani, yeah, no, it is Kunal Jani Pushpa ji. That news channel में वो गलत लिख रहे थे, and वो news जो बोल रही थी वो भी गलत बोल रही थी जैन करके, बट जो एक्चुअल फील्ड पे खड़े हैं ना वो लोग जानी बोल रहे हैं, बट स्टिल दिस पर्सन वाज नॉट करेक्टिंग, शी वाज स्टिल टेलिंग जैन. एंड दिस वाज इनिशियली, राइट, दिस वाज लाइक August last year, August का video. So at that time when their names came out newly, probably some channels were not saying it in a proper way. Thank you so much, Shobha ji. Yeah, the reporter said from Goa, Zaveri arrested. Who is that? I don't think it's not Kushal Zaveri. I think it is, they said, an actor Javeri. So this is like last year news, Pushpaji. This is the video I was showing you, was last year's video, to show that these guys, the Kunal Jani ka connection Riya ke saath tha. That's how they found Kunal Jani's connection, not with SSR, right? But now in news everywhere they're saying ki SSR's friend has been arrested. SSR's friend, just to connect these druggies with SSR. Why are they not saying Riya's friend? Why are they not bringing Riya's name up? That's my question, right? All channels, they're bringing SSR name up and not Riya's name. And that to me is really, it's like a toolkit. Forget about being fair or unfair. A toolkit is going on. That's all. To connect him with all the druggy friends, right? To make it look like he has all these druggy friends, and of course, wo leta hoga, to make it seem like that. So that's what I was trying to debunk, that ki aisa nahi hai. So I'll share another one here, and I have already put the StreamYard. If anybody want to join, they can join, because ye thoda short session hoga. I'm just showing few things to just connect these people and show ki ye Riya kab se in logon ko janti hai pehle se, and ye inke ye jo इनको हेल्प करते होंगे ना, यही लोग होंगे जो इसको हेल्प कर रहे हैं, अभी भी हेल्प कर रहे हैं, जो सुवेद लोहिया ये सब. That is because she does their work. Okay, she supplies drugs, she does all this. So ये लोग ही पीछे से, ये होटलियर्स यही है जो ये सब इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, सब चीजों में पैसा बनाते हैं, इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, and these people are their puppets who work for them basically. So that's why they are called for all these parties, because she was no one at that time. I'll show you when she was called to these parties, right? Why would they call someone like that to their party? So basically she was not no one to them, right? She was someone that's helping in their business. So that's why she was there in all these parties. So let me share another news. Again, I'm showing you last year's news, not this year. This year sub channel में SSR का दोस्त बोला जा रहा है, जो कि सही नहीं है. So I'm going to show you another news. Hi Aaron, hi Melissa, welcome. So let me, oh, it didn't share. पता नहीं मेरा, why is my click, mouse is not working properly. Okay. So this is another, now I showed you NewsX. तो NewsX भी वही चला रहा था, right? कि रिया का कनेक्शन की वजह से गौरव आर्या और इसका नाम मिला था, right? Same thing यहाँ पे भी, if you see, even Republic was saying that in Sushant case, Gaurav Arya and the new entrant Kunal Jani are quizzed by ED after Riya drug chats. Okay, so Riya drug chats की वजह से उनको गौरव आर्या और कुणाल जानी का नाम मिला. So this connection is only with Riya. These are Riya's friends. That's what we need to spread, not SSR's friends. Oh my God, क्या हो गया मेरा Google Chrome not responding. Okay, give me a second. कुछ हो रहा है. It is still streaming. It is still streaming. Okay. Is it still streaming, guys? Let me know. Hold on. Let me come back to the StreamYard screen. Sorry. I don't know why it's going slow. Okay. Aaron ji, I see you in background. I will take you in few minutes. I'll just finish like showing few things, and few minutes may I'll take you. So let me go. Okay, where is the screen I was sharing? Okay, here. So basically, clearly even Republic at that time, this is again last year ka news, right? August 31st. They say that hotelier Gaurav Arya, whose name had surfaced in several WhatsApp chat has reached ED, right? So here also had surfaced in several chats, reached ED on Monday, and sources have also revealed that Mumbai-based Kunal Jani, known for his investment in hospitality sector, has also been summoned by the ED. So, इनके जो सारे चीजें हैं, this is happened only because of the drug nexus that surfaced through Riya Chakravarti's WhatsApp chats. Okay, so that is what I wanted to show you guys. कि ये लोग अभी ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं कि SSR का दोस्त, right? Now I will show you another. Okay, let me close that one, and then we will go back to okay, let me go back to, okay. So now we will, I will share the Instagram of Kunal Jani. Give me a second. Let me just open the blinds a little bit. Thoda sa light. Sorry, thoda blinds open कर रही थी. Okay, so let me share now the Instagram, and ओके, सो ये कुणाल जानी का इंस्टाग्राम है. ओके, सो यहाँ पे इफ यू सी, यू कैन सी कि कनेक्शन कहाँ कौन से टाइम से है इनका, राइट? सो आई विल show this picture. So, and you can see, let's see all the connections. Why just one or two? These are all pictures from long back, and you will see कि हम जिन जिन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना, सबका कनेक्शन यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा. ये सेम लोगों से ये कनेक्टेड है. So the same circle pops up every time. You can see these are all old pictures. There's our एकता कपूर 2016 का दिखा रही हूँ, राइट? एकता कपूर वहां पे. एंड ये बहुत पिक्चर्स डालता नहीं है, बाय द वे. ओके, ही पुट्स लाइक वेरी लेस पिक्चर्स ऑन हिज Instagram, if you see. So that means the pictures he has put here all close friends, kind of, right? So here you can see Suved Lohia right there. So ये बहुत close friends है. Maybe that's why I'll show you another one where Suved Lohia और इसको actually ED ने एक साथ बुलाया था. Not only Kumar गौरव आर्या और इसको ED ने बुलाया था, NCB ने भी बुलाया था, but even सुहेद लोहिया को ED ने बुलाया था. And then you see this monkey guy. मैं तो थोड़ा स्लो हो रहा है सिस्टम. I call this guy monkey only, क्योंकि उसकी शादी में वो किस तरह सलमान खान आया है करके इतना एक्साइटेड होकर चिल्ला रहा था ना, वो मंकी की तरह ही लग रहा था मुझे. तो ये भी किस किस चीज में इन्वॉल्व है, वी डोंट नो. ओके, बिकॉज मुझे तो डाउट है क्योंकि ये कुछ इतना तो मूवी तो कुछ करता नहीं है. एंड दे आर वेरी वेरी क्लोज टू द खान्स. सब सलमान खान के पपेट्स है. सो नाउ I will show you Riya Chakravarti also here, right? तो of course यहाँ पे हमारे और एक important person सूरज, you can see सूरज पंचोली is connection, very close connection with him. बहुत सारे pictures है उसके साथ actually. So there is our Riya Chakravarti, 2016 October. Okay, she is there in some party with them. This is Simone Kambata, जिसका हमें पता है कि इसका तो मैंने तो एक पूरा वीडियो बनाया था. Because we had thought first that she was a mystery girl, which she isn't, but she is connected because इसका ही एक drug chat था जो जब leak हुआ था, right? I think they were somewhere, she was in Bhubaneswar or somewhere, and she was Calcutta या Bhubaneswar, Odisha या Calcutta, I don't remember. When one of her chats she had sent to Simone Kambata saying that यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा hash weed जो भी बहुत अच्छा मिलता है करके बहुत आसानी से, right? So that chat, because of that, Simone Kambata also was called by NCB at that time. उस टाइम पे तो उसके साथ भी इंट्रोगेशन हुआ है at that time, right? So that's a girl there. So we can see 2016 से ये connected है, right? So ये basically इनके दोस्त है और ये तो इसका लग रहा है कि चड्डी दोस्त है, the way we see, right? So here you see many happy returns of the day, happy birthday, बाबा दीवान, राइट? सो बाबा दीवान को देख सकते हो. अब बाबा दीवान का मैं एक और वही कनेक्शन दिखाती हूँ आपको विथ so we saw Suved Lohia, we saw Baba Diwan, right? Now I'll show you another picture that actually connects their party together. That is what actually I think when I saw, because ये वो भी 2016 का ही है. Where's that picture? होल्ड ऑन, मुझे ऊपर जाना था या नीचे जाना था, सोच रही हूँ. जो पिक्चर मैंने एक्चुअली थंबनेल पे डाला है, दैट पिक्चर आई एम ट्राइंग टू लुक. शायद मुझे नीचे जाना था क्योंकि वो 20 नहीं, यस मुझे नीचे जाना था. वो 2015 का बाबा दीवान के पार्टी का है. मैं दिखाती हूँ आपको. Sorry, I'm trying to look for something. सो यू कैन सी कि ये बाबा दीवान सब जगह दिख रहा है, राइट? यू नो, एंड बाबा, इसका मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको दिखाया था, द वे सुशांत को लेके जा रहा था इन गौरी खान के पार्टी के बाद, राइट? सो वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन दैट, that why they were doing that. So there is Suraj again with him, 2017. एंड अर्लियर मैंने एक पिक्चर दिखाया आपको, मैंने क्या बाबा को बोला क्या, सुवेद करके? लेट मी गो डाउन. सो बाबा के साथ इसके बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स हैं. Let's go down. There is another picture that I'm trying to look for with, hold on, ये सुवेद नहीं है, ये बाबा दीवान है. Why did I say सुवेद? ये वाला, this guy is बाबा दीवान. Now let me go down. कहाँ गया वो पिक्चर? And here you can see with another of our overactive guy right here, the crazy Singh is with him there. तो यहाँ पे बन रहा है ना ड्रग कनेक्शन, दिस पिक्चर. ओके, सो ये है 2015 का नवंबर का पिक्चर. ओके, यहाँ पे अगेन यू कैन सी सिमोन कंबाटा with Kunal Jani, and then I don't know who this guy is, and they're saying Diwali madness, right? ये दिवाली पार्टी था बाबा दीवान का. So this is what I was trying to also connect, because ये जो ड्रेस आप देख रहे हैं, you see that blue घाघरा she is wearing with the blue shiny this thing, right? So now I'll show you, because यहाँ पे सिर्फ दिवाली मैडनेस लिखा है. तो let me stop sharing this and let me share you the pictures of his party, because that is where again we see the connections. Okay, I'm back on my StreamYard screen. Erin, I think you left. Yeah, please come back in 5 minutes. Let me just show this one thing. Otherwise, I will lose my what I'm trying to connect, right? I'll just lose that. That is why I was like trying to take my time. So now I'll show you Baba Diwan's party, right? So just to connect that, because वहां पे सिर्फ दिवाली लिखा था, कुछ नहीं लिखा था, we didn't know कि कौन से पार्टी में गए थे. So ये 2015 का कनेक्शन होगा, right? So now if you see this, okay, there. So you remember her dress there, right? So now this is Salman Khan and others graced Baba Diwan's Diwali bash. So that is the bash that she's putting pictures of. So see that dress? It's the same blue top and the blue black gaga. Okay. So this was her in 2015. So you can see वो कब से ये बाबा दीवान और इन सब लड़कों से कनेक्टेड है, राइट? सारा सर्कल से कनेक्टेड कब से. This is Salman Khan going to that same party. Desi Shah with Baba Siddiqui, and I think ये Salman का brother-in-law है. I forgot his name, some Agnihotri, Atul Agnihotri, correct. And Baba Siddiqui, all people. There you see Mika Singh, and then there, do you remember this guy? It's the same security guy that we actually saw in Gauri Khan के पार्टी में बाहर जब बाबा दीवान लेके जा रहा है सुशांत को, right? At that time there is also another guy जो थोड़ा सा fair, okay, एक security guard दिखता है, fair, and he kind of looks like a foreigner actually. So that seems like the same guy here, their security. So maybe his Baba Diwan से related security होगा वो, इसीलिए they are everywhere. These are just the what's that guy? Yeah, Bagnanis. And now you see in the same party you can see Nikhil Dwivedi, सब close friends. Okay, Nikhil Dwivedi जो उनका जो being human सब कुछ चलाता है जो, right? जो यूनाइटेड हमने एक वीडियो किया था, उनके जो कंपनीज है, 2 कंपनीज है, उसको जो उसमें जो एक्चुअली चलाता है ये बंदा वही है. And then you can see in the same also down here you will see, I mean of course Sohail Khan and then Suraj Pancholi, right? और ये जो सूरज पंचोली का इस ड्रेस में पिक्चर वो उसके इंस्टाग्राम पे भी है. So it is that party they were. So some like we can see कि 2015 से ये इन सबको जानती है, बाबा दीवान को ये जानती, this लड़की. How is she getting invited into this parties, like you know, hold on, did it stop streaming? Oh my god. Can't access the screen. Okay, I don't know when it stopped. Guys, if you're still watching, let me know when did it stop streaming? क्योंकि मैं बात कर रही थी but वो streaming stop हो गया था शायद. Namaste Usha. Aaron. Okay, thank you Aaron. A little bit more I'm showing, that's all. Then I'll take anybody who wants to come in. So can you tell me when it stopped? Did you guys actually see the pictures of Suraj Pancholi and Riya? क्योंकि I think it stopped streaming after a while. Okay, मैं quickly एक बार फिर दिखा देती हूँ just in case you guys it went away. Okay, it's streaming right now. So मैं दिखा रही थी कि ये same dress है जो वो पहनी है. So this is Baba Diwan's party in 2015 that she was there with in their party with the same circle, Salman's close circle, right? Daisy, Baba Siddiqui there and Atul Agnihotri there. Then ये security guard के बारे में बात कर रही थी मैं. I don't know if that got captured. That this is the same security guard we see in the video जहाँ पे गौरी खान के पार्टी से बाहर SSR को एक कार में ले जाता है बाबा दीवान. उस टाइम यही सिक्योरिटी गार्ड दिखता है वहां पे भी. सो ये उनके पार्टीज में वो सिक्योरिटी गार्ड होगा. एंड देन वशु द बगनानीस एंड देन निखिल द्विवेदी जो उनका कंपनीज यूनिटी जो भी यूनाइटेड, आई फॉरगॉट द नेम्स, जो 2 कंपनीज है उसका चलाता है सलमान खान का. So he's very close to Salman Khan, right? And then we see Sohail Khan and then Suraj, right? और सूरज का जो ये ड्रेस है, सेम ड्रेस में कुणाल जानी ने भी पिक्चर्स डाला है एट द सेम पार्टी, जैसे कि उसने रिया का डाला. सो यू कैन सी कि कुणाल जानी के लिए कौन इंपॉर्टेंट था. वहां रिया का पिक्चर है, सिमोन कंबाटा का पिक्चर है, सारे जो ड्रग डीलिंग करते हैं उनका पिक्चर है एक्चुअली. एंड देन यू सी हिज पिक्चर्स विद रणवीर सिंह, यू सी हिज पिक्चर विद सूरज पंचोली. You see his picture with actually with Danny's son. So let me go back to that again. Actually, let me go back to that. So we can connect that now easily to Baba Diwan's party 2015. So 2015 say this girl knows these people. Okay, Sued Lohia ho ya now. Now I'll show you the Sued Lohia connection with her. So once again, we will just go a little bit into this Instagram for a second. I want to show you a few more things so that I can just close this Instagram. So we saw this picture, right? So 2015 November, Diwali. So this is the same dress she's wearing. So this is Baba Diwan's party. And if you see this guy, he's wearing a black kurta. So you can see that's the same black kurta is wearing right here. And see this picture, I just showed you Suraj Pancholi in this dress at Baba Diwan Diwali party. So ये Baba Diwan का party था जिसमें इन्होंने ये सब क्लिक किया था and he has shared that on his Instagram. Okay, so and then यहाँ पे actually नीचे जाएंगे तो you will see more connection जो इम्तियाज कतरी के साथ भी इसके पिक्चर्स दिखेंगे. एंड एकता कपूर तो यहाँ पे है, सोहेल खान, and then of course Suraj is everywhere, Baba Diwan is everywhere, and यहाँ पे नीचे I think इसका भी है, yeah, this is Sued. Yes, this is Sued Lohia. That's Sued. Happy birthday, lots of love, success to you, Sued. So that is Sued. And then यहाँ पे देखो, ये अभी ये जो इतना सर्कुलेट हो रहा है इम्तियाज कतरी के साथ एक पिक्चर, जो सूरज एंड दिस गाय, I don't know who this guy is, but he's there in a lot of pictures with Imtiaz Khatri and Suraj, right? So this guy, and then there is Danny's son, right? So this guy is very close to Imtiaz Khatri, Suraj, and all that. So you same circle, you will find hundreds of pictures if you Google with Danny, with these people, and with Tiger Shroff and all those people. So हम देख रहे हैं कि सब जगह कनेक्शन सेम हो रहा है. What is this? I just want to see what's written. The tiger and the lion may be more powerful, but the wolf does not perform in the circus. Wow. Okay. So सेम सर्कल दिख रहा है हमें, कहीं भी जाओ सेम सर्कल. There's Sohail, Baba Diwan. So we know that how these people work together. जब भी किसी एक के ऊपर मुसीबत आती है, ये सब लोग अपने एक दूसरे को बचा लेते हैं. So this is like such a old picture. देखो 2015, Sued Lohia right here. And that's Kunal Jani. Okay. So basically that's what we wanted to establish. तो ये है रिया और सुवेद, बाबा दीवान, ये सबका सर्कल है, and there is no SSR here. Okay. Now let's move on. I will show you one more connection now, and then we can move on to this thing. Let me share another. Namaste, Brijesh ji. And Jai Shri Ram, Dump Polly. Sometimes मैं comment नहीं देखती हूँ, क्योंकि मैं क्या करती हूँ ना, मैं जब share करती हूँ ना screens, then I am on that screen trying to control that screen. So I'm not on StreamYard screen. So at that time अगर कोई पीछे आ भी जाता है ना, तो मुझे sometimes like दिखाई नहीं देता until I come back to the StreamYard screen. Now let me share another one. Now I'm going to show you Sued Lohia. ये तक कब से जानता है इसको, right? तो सुहेद लोहिया का एक उसने एक कैफे ओपन किया है, एक यूरोपियन कैफे ओपन किया था, and this is in 2016 of July. Okay, so you will see that at that time, from that time itself, ये इस लड़की रिया को जानता है, like what was she at that time? Nothing, right? So how was she coming into these parties, right? So let me show you those pictures. And उसमें सुशांत भी है उस पार्टी में. You don't have any pictures with Sushant and her together, because of course they were not together. So वहाँ तब से I think एक acquaintance होगा, जैसे कि hi bye था शायद. That's how she keeps telling I know him from long back, but because 2015 में भी उसका एक कोई picture है उसके साथ, एक picture में वो दिख रही है, right? So not that she knows him, but oh, my StreamYard is not sharing again. Okay. I don't know what's happening. Let me share again. Somehow it keeps kicking me out of that and it is not sharing it. Let me do it again. Okay. Okay, now it's sharing. Okay. So you see Sushant was there at that opening, and ये हुआ था July 3rd, 2016, right? In Mumbai. He opened a European style cafe and तब आया था. And if you remember, that is the same time उसने धोनी किया था, and धोनी बहुत हिट हुआ था. धोनी का स्क्रीनिंग हुआ था, I think I have the date here. Dhoni ka screening was in October of 2016, so the same year, right? He had done Dhoni. So he was a big guy at that time. So of course you will see him going to all parties. सब लोग बुलाते हैं at that time, right? Everybody is trying to be friend with him. So इसी party में you see Sushant, you don't see Riya and him together, but Riya was there at that time also. So that is Sushant. Then you will see that हमारी मैडम रिया चक्रवर्ती भी दिखेगी यहाँ पे. देखो, she looks very young and all that at that time. That's why, because I mean, of course, she was a little more younger at that time. So ये 2016 July का pictures है. So she was also there at the cafe opening. So Suvaid had called her. Who was she at that time? 2016. क्या थी वो? Right? Riya Chakrabarti during the launch of European style cafe Mirabella on June 3rd, July 3rd, 2016 in Mumbai. Right? So ये कब से कनेक्टेड है इनके साथ, इनके लिए काम कर रही है, तो समझ में आ रहा है कि why she is connected, कि why she would have such a status that she would be coming into these, they would be inviting her in all these kind of things, right? All these big businessmen. तो समझ में आ रहा है कि क्यों हो रहा था. So we clearly see her connection with all these people from 2015, 2016 itself. So it is very surprising to see कि अभी जब news आ रहा है कुणाल जानी is arrested, it is coming as SSR's friend, SSR's friend, SSR's friend, when he is not. He is not this druggie's friends. So, okay, so that's what I wanted to show. One last video now. I'm going to share and I'm going to put the StreamYard again. Please join now. Because I'm just going to share one last video and then I will take people in. Oh yeah, before I share that. So now, so we know कि वो सुवेद लोया को कब से जानती थी. That is the reason. Now the one I'm going to show you guys. If you see this, we know that जब उसका ED का बुलावा आया था उसको, at that time किसके कार में वो जा रही थी, वो सुवेद के कार में जा रही थी, right? So we all know this. I'm just showing it as like proof at each point कि हम लोग connect करने के लिए. Whose car did Riya Chakravarti go to ED office in? Riya Chakravarti arrived on Friday to record her statement in connection with money laundering, right? So यहाँ पे, if you see, at Enforcement Director office on August 7th, accompanied by her brother Shovik, she stepped out of a dark grey Ford Endeavour, and that car belongs to Suvaid Lohia. So ये तो हम last year से जानते हैं. So that's how we tried to connect him everywhere, right? A successful entrepreneur in the hospitality industry. He also played a small role in Salman Khan's film Jai Ho, and he was part of Abhishek Kapoor's Aryan and Unbreakable. Okay. So we see कि ये सब इसको क्यों help कर रहे थे. तो इनका इसके साथ again it stopped streaming. God, what is happening? Okay, again it stopped streaming. Sorry, let me just share it again. I'll tell it very quickly. So this is just to show that ये उसके कार में जा रही थी ED, right? So Riya stepped out of a grey Ford car when she went to ED, and we all know this, and that car was Suvaid Lohia's, right? So why they were helping her, we clearly understand that ये इन सबके साथ कब से associated है, and that's the reason she was getting all this help, and she is still getting help. They are still with her. Okay, so I think, and if you try to type and see, you will not find any picture of Kumar, that guy Kunal Jani with SSR. I mean, even if you find, it doesn't make much difference, but I don't think you'll find anything. So clearly, अभी हमें एक और चीज दिख रहा है कि जब भी हम कुछ भी कनेक्ट करते हैं ना, इन सबका सर्कल एक ही है. Everybody, all these people are connected. Siddiquis, whether it is Zishan Siddiqui, Baba Siddiqui, Khans, कोई भी एक पार्टी उठा के देख लो जहाँ पे सिर्फ सेम सर्कल, लाइक जिन जिनको बुलाया गया, यू सी द सेम सर्कल. then you see Imtiaz Khatri, then you will see Imtiaz Khatri, you will see Suraj Pancholi, you will see this, and in सबके सर्कल में रिया हमेशा है. क्यों है? So obviously she's doing something for them. That's why she's there, and that's why they are saving her right now, because she knows a lot more. She knows a lot. अगर रिया को थर्ड डिग्री देंगे ना, सब कुछ बाहर आ जाएगा. सबका क्या ड्रग कनेक्शन है, सब कुछ बाहर आ जाएगा. बट ये वो होने वाला नहीं है, बिकॉज उसका कनेक्शन इतना स्ट्रांग है कि उसको ये लोग बचा रहे हैं, सब लोग. That's the reason that may not happen. So yeah, so guys, I know it's very late, so I have put the StreamYard link. If you guys join, you can join. Otherwise, I'll just take few comments and then I will also end the show. I think एक वीडियो दिखाने वाली थी, तो ये भी लास्ट ईयर का वीडियो है. So यहाँ पे भी इन्होंने ये टाइम्स नाउ का वीडियो है. So just to show,
people have been summoned once again. On one hand, you have the Enforcement Directorate at the moment interrogating Gaurav Arya and also giving summons to businessman Suved Lohia. What is his connection? Widening the drug angle and the probe conducted by the ED. Kunal Jani also being grilled by the ED. And at the same time, at the DRDO guest house, several people have been summoned once again and are being interrogated. Mohit Bhatt is also reporting from outside the DRDO guest house, I believe, on the same story. Mohit, I think you were there earlier at Riya Chakraborty's residence. What about the developments on Riya's front? It's going to be the fourth consecutive day that she will be grilled. What other details is the CBI hoping to get from her? We've already in fact, they've already interrogated her about the personal equation that she had with Sushant, his financial details, and what sort of control she had on his life.
Well, yes, Preeti, Suved Lohia has just gone inside. Now, Suved Lohia is a successful entrepreneur here in the circles of Mumbai, and his car was being used by Riya Chakraborty when she went to ED office for questioning. It's a grey color Ford Endeavour, and Riya has been using that car to go to ED office when she was being asked by ED to come for the interrogation. Now, the CBI wants to know that what exactly is the connection between Suved Lohia, Sushant Singh Rajput, and Riya Chakraborty. Remember, Suved Lohia was also the one when Sushant Singh Rajput passed away. He penned an emotional note on Instagram, and on 14th of July, 1 month after Sushant Singh Rajput passed away, he again wrote an emotional poem on Instagram. So the CBI has called Suved Lohia that why exactly his car was being used by Riya Chakraborty, and then he would also been asked by that what kind of relations were there between Sushant Singh Rajput and Riya Chakraborty, because we have seen for past some time the Suved Lohia was quite close friend to Sushant Singh Rajput also, and at the time when Kedarnath movie of Sushant Singh Rajput was released, he also praised the movie. So yes, as of now, Suved Lohia has gone inside. Shruti Modi has also gone inside, the former manager of Sushant Singh Rajput, and so clearly more and more dots are being joined by.
Okay, so basically ये भी 31st का न्यूज़ है. So last year सब जब शेयर कर रहे थे, so only connection they had found was that Suved Lohia, because Suved Lohia's car she was using, so again Riya was connected, but there were a lot of him, like, you know, he was putting a lot of posts on SSR, so that is another reason they were trying to find out that how close he was with SSR and all that. So हम देख रहे हैं कि hi Aaron, how are you? आपका फिर से आज अच्छा थोड़ा सा रुक के आ रहा है. I think you're getting frozen for a few seconds. You are mute.
Yes, Hemaji, can you hear me?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay.
Aranji, yes, I can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I was just trying to keep quiet because you're giving a lot of information today, so I just wanted to.
Yeah, आपका फिर से वही हो रहा है. वो रुक के ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है पता नहीं.
मुझे पता भी नहीं है.
Frozen for a second and then it comes back.
I don't I don't know why this is happening, but I'm still worried. Is there something that we do? Is that I don't understand.
I think it might just be the internet connection, I'm thinking,
Not at
because
all.
you
I
are
have
getting frozen.
a very fast internet. No, I have a very fast internet connection. My speed is almost around 300 Mbps, so it's
Oh,
too
okay.
fast.
Yeah, so I don't know then why it's
So I don't know
happening, but
something else I can
because
do
it's
or
not
something.
just
I don't.
it's not just the voice also, like even the picture gets frozen a little bit. Yeah, but go ahead,
I'm able to
and
hear this breaking. Why?
yeah.
Is it only because of StreamYard, or should I do something? I don't know.
Uh, yeah, maybe, but you have to come through the link only, right? In StreamYard.
Yes, I understand, but I can see my picture,
So it got stuck
but
again.
I could
So
do
it's getting
something
stuck.
wrong. I don't know what it is.
Yeah,
Let me check that, Himaji.
yeah. Okay, so I'll wait for Aaron to come back. And so basically, I think ज़्यादा comments तो है नहीं. Everybody might be already sleeping in India. 2 o'clock हो रहा है, which I understand totally. No issues there. So I wanted to just keep this as a short video anyway because I just wanted to talk about it to kind of show that ये सारे जो ड्रगीज के कनेक्शन आ रहे हैं ना, ये सब रिया की वजह से आ रहे हैं, नॉट एसएसआर, बट इट गेट्स कनेक्टेड टू एसएसआर. नाउ वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ दिस केस, राइट? जब वो फैमिली भी केस की होगी एट दैट टाइम, उनको लाइक देयर वर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट एसएसआर को ट्रैप किया गया इन अ सेंस बिकॉज they were trying to use his money, they were trying to use his cards, they were doing all this business in his house, right? She was trying to do all this drug business in his house. So basically अगर कुछ गड़बड़ भी हो जाता तो इसमें एसएसआर also फंस जाते. That is what they were trying to kind of do in that way, right? So that is the reason also that family would have been scared that at that time ki what is happening, like how much involved is SSR in this. So because sometimes as a family also you may not know everything, right? So you may think like, what if my brother is not only the victim but he can is his name can also become bad, will bring his name down if we try to put this case in some other way, right? तो इसीलिए बहुत कुछ सोच समझ के उन्होंने 306 डाला है at that time. That is what I think. So because ये basically बहुत फंसा हुआ था. We still don't know कि what all they had on him at that time, right? What all Ria had on the SSR, or if she had anything that she could blackmail him with, because we can see clearly in जिस तरह इसको ट्रैप किया गया है कि सारा ड्रगीज इसके सराउंडिंग में, तो कौन बिलीव करेगा कि SSR was not doing drugs, right? They will say no, your card was used. They will say no, it was going on in your house. तो ये जो लोग है, ये इन जो लोगों को तुम भी जानते हो, तो ये सब बातें आ जाती. एंड that's why वो थोड़ा शायद अगर वो कुछ जानता भी था by the time in May and all, he probably thought that he will just leave all this Bollywood, just go and make his life somewhere else and do something and not bother about these things. But the thing is, he knew too much, right? He knew too much about this, and that is why they could not let him go or let him be on his own. But um, but we can understand that वो किस तरह फंसा हुआ था. That's why maybe he thought that not to do anything with regards to it. We don't know whether what he was trying to do. Of course, we know from the witness saying that he wanted to talk about Disha and he wanted to do press conference. But उसका भी कोई guarantee नहीं है. Maybe he thought of just getting away from all this. But they knew that this person may not keep quiet. So इतना ही था एक्चुअली जो मैं आज